The first website to basically check gold's price.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Or in this case, it's how to check SPDR gold dividends historical data. You can even check the price as well. So there's a couple different websites. This first website is called Stock Analysis. Basically, you can see the price. You can go to holdings, you can go to history. This will show you the chart dating all the way back from 2004 to presently of 2024. It's in a uptrend. Or you can even click on the chart tab or icon and click the drop down arrow and go to, let's say, the monthly chart, and scrolling out with the mouse, and it shows the price chart or the historical data. The next website is stockscan.io. I'll leave all links in the video description down below to these websites. You can see here, you can click different charts from the 1 minute if you are scalping the markets, to the monthly chart if you just want to see the overall historical chart. And you can even click the RSI. It will show you overbought and oversold levels, moving averages, etc. completely for free.